If you have a sound bar for your TV and you want to get it like out of the way instead of having it down there, you want to place it right on top of your TV. Then this is a really nice shelf here. So the company sent me this out to try out, and I really like it. It is this really nice steel material. It's super easy to install. You pretty much just sit it right on top of your TV. There's the lip here that holds it, and on the back there's like these feet there that angle. I'll show you that later. But you can see it is nice and long. It is two pieces, so you can put them together like one long piece, or you can separate them out. If you want two shelves or you want to make it a little bit longer, you can do that. So here's what it looks like without the sound bar on top of it. There's this nice metal steel shelf. It does come with a couple cup holders here, so you can put pencils or remote controls in there if you want. So there's one on each side. And then you can see there's like the holes there for ventilation, so it can cool off and stuff and make it more lightweight. And then you can see, so it just sits on top of your TV. No drilling, screwing, or anything required. It just sits on top. It has these feet here. So basically you just angle it how you need so that it fits the back of your TV. And then that's it. And then this is the part where you can attach them together if you want to make one long piece, or you can keep them separate however you want to configure it. And then you just place it on top of your TV. It is super simple and easy. Easily holds the weight of your sound bar, no problem. And then here on the back, you can see how the feet are angled against the TV, and that's what holds it up. So if you are in need of a soundbar shelf for your TV, definitely check this one out.